Hey guys, it's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this 20-inch Jerry curly wig from Arabella Hair Company. And honey, I'm loving the curls already. I mean, this is a headband wig, so we are giving you natural bounce edges and curls. Seriously guys, I think this might be one of my favorite headband wigs I've ever owned. It has 3 clips in front, 1 at the back, and of course a head band. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by Arabella Hair Company, and of course on this channel we appreciate collaborations, honey. We do, like, really, we do appreciate it. One thing about headband wigs guys, they are beginner friendly, child, and I mean it takes less than 5 minutes to wear this wig and define the curls. That's it. Like, really guys, you just pop it on your head, you define the curls, and you are good to go. That's all you need to do. No need for gorilla glues and got to be, like, seriously, nah. Hold on, like, what? Hold on, whoa, can you just appreciate the softness of these curls for 1 second guys? I mean, look at that. Arabella Hair did the things. Like, I'm loving these curls guys. Now this is my favorite part, defining the curls. I mean, the curls are already defined, but y'all know me, I'm extra. They don't call me curly memes for nothing. So this little mixture that you're seeing right now is just water and a hair conditioner. Then I'm gonna use mousse, and that's it guys. Like, super duper easy. Look at that. Like, easy.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice.
Yes, child. Yeah, look at her. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Yes, child. By the way, guys, if you love this wig as much as I do, please do check the description box down below for more information, and of course direct links to purchase this gorgeous headband wig. Thank you so much for tuning in guys. Mwah. Until next time, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye bye.
With me.